Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be doing a scam check of the Kind Mindware review. If you have come across Kind Mindware in 2025, you're probably wondering if it's legit or just another scam. After checking their website, customer feedbacks, and ordering experience, here's the breakdown. Kind Mindwear promotes itself as a mindful, sustainable clothing brand, but many buyers report slow shipping times, generic product quality, and customer service that hit or miss. While some do receive their orders, others complain of delays, sizing issues, and unresponsive support by the customer service. There aren't enough consistent positive reviews to fully trust them compared to established ethical brands. So, is Kind Wear a scam? Not outright, but it's definitely a risky buy. If you want a peace of mind, it's safer to go with more reputable, sustainable clothing labels.